What can I give my fish to make them grow faster? This is the question that so many people are asking me on my comment section. They're asking me what I'm giving my fish that make them to be big. In this video, I'm going to be telling you what I give my fish, what I do that make them to grow so big. This is their 6th month now. This is February, and this is their 6th month. And we already have 2.5 kg right here. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you what I give them. But before I continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button. It encourages me to do more videos. Thank you very much for doing that. I appreciate. So what I give my fish that makes them to grow to this size. There are so many products in the market. Some will recommend bitter leaf, some are recommending moringa. Then there are some products that they sell in the market. They said it makes your fish to grow. To be honest with you, all these things, none of them have I ever applied on them. I've not bought it before. I've not even tried giving it to them. One thing about catfish is that if you can be able to feed them with the right feed, they will grow faster. You don't understand? If you can give them the right feed, if your fish are eating very well, they will grow fast. If your fish are not eating, they will not grow. The reason why your fish is still small, even when they are up to 4-6 months, is because you have not been feeding them well. You feed your fish to their satisfaction. Don't just say that this particular quantity is what I will be giving them every morning. No, you don't do that. Come with the feed. They will eat to their satisfaction. Keep feeding them. If they stop eating, then you stop. Most times the quantity that they ate in the morning might not be the quantity that they will eat in the evening. So try as much as you can to make sure that your fish is eating. That is the method that I applied. No medication. I've not given them any medication. Just make sure that their water is clean. You change the water when you're supposed to change the water. And more especially, don't overstock. Don't overstock. Overstocking can make your fish not to eat very well. In the whole of this pond, what I stocked is 500. It doesn't mean that I cannot stock 1,000 here. It doesn't mean that I cannot stock 2,000 here. But because I have a target, I want to harvest big fish. That's the reason why I stocked little. If I want to sell them at a smokable size, then I will stock a bigger quantity. But because I want them to grow, that's the reason why I stock 500. In my next batch, I will stock lesser because I'm expecting 3 to 4 kg. If I'm expecting 3 to 4 kg here, 1,000 pieces cannot enter here. Imagine 4 kg. You know the size of 4 kg is very big inside the whole of this pond. You know it's not possible. So they are not going to grow to up to that. They will be dying. They will contract disease. They will not eat. 1 year, they are still small. So these are just the little things that I do that made my fish to grow up to this level within the space of 6 months. If you can apply this method, you will achieve the same result. That's the truth about it. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section. Do well to like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you very much. Let's meet at the comment section. Bye for now.